This is what I call a sweetheart. It's a 61,000 mile car, had one owner for 55 years. It's just a well taken care of car. I've sat in so many of these. I just hopped in this one. I'm like, wow, this is nice. The fit, finishes, everything about it. It's just like a 61,000 mile, really well cared for car should be. This lives up to that. Numbers matching, Protecto plates, what's documented. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or you can scan the QR code. It'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the body is beautiful on this car. Well, the lines, I love these Corvette coupes. The coupes are worth more than the convertibles because of the boat tail design. They made less of them. The fit on this one's excellent. The headlights, they work properly. The hood, all the lines are beautiful. And I'm looking at pristine, straight, beautiful fiberglass. The body, the fenders, all this is excellent. I don't see an issue whatsoever. The pillars are real nice. Here's a hairline crack on the door. The lines, they go all the way up into the roof. They're spot on. Oh, that opens so easily. Shuts like new. You have that rib going down the middle, the rear quarter panel. All this is pristine, and it does have a stress hairline cracks right there, like almost like something pushed on it. This hairline. All this is so straight though. This is really exceptional. All around here is beautiful. This is all looking fantastic. All of this is excellent. Look at the gaps again. I mean, they're spot on the money. It goes all the way up into the roof. Opens, you can open it with your pinky. Shuts like new. All clean, clean body. Milano Maroon, the original color, has very, very tiny metal flake, believe it or not, when you're up close. It's laid out evenly, and someone really blocked, sanded, and polished this thing. It is slick. The stainless trim looks to be good original. The windshield and the rear window are crystal clear. I assume they've been replaced. The emblems are sparkling. The bumpers, the grill, all looking really sharp. Cross flag emblems here sparkle. Door handles are really nice. Now it's got the original spinner hubcaps. They're in really great shape. In 65, you could get Goldline tires. So these are the Goldlines, but they're radials. So they're upgraded tires. And then it's got the side pipes. Got to have the side pipes on one of these. It just sounds so nice. It looks cool, looks tough. Like I said, the back window's crystal clear. Normally they're scratched up. Even the really expensive ones I sell have scratched glass. A little dimple right here. The emblem looks great. The gas cap looks like that's been replaced. Tail lights, bumpers, all that looks like it's replaced. And it has a working power antenna. And then it's got the mirror, little round mirror here. I was looking for a date. I don't see one, but that looks like it's probably new. All right, let's open it up and show you what's under the hood and inside the car. Well, there's no trunk, but we always take a second to just admire this boat tail design. This door is really cool. Has a new gas cap on it as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Now this rear window has a stamp on it like an original, so either they bought a reproduction window with the right stamp, or maybe it is original glass. It's just so crystal clear. The jambs are painted really slick. The weather strips are replaced. Door panels look to be in really good shape. A woman bought the car brand new, and then she sold it in 1970, and that guy kept it till 2025. This is mint. This is original, 61,382 miles. All the gauges are working. Dash pads are mint. Clock is working. There's the factory AM, FM, the knobs, all this is so clean. You got the grab handle bar. Glove box door is real nice. The light works. Get the original sticker. We have the glove box pouch with the manuals and the Protecto plate. That's all in the office for safekeeping. Pictures on our website. The protecto plate has the engine, the transmission, the rear end, the VIN number, the person who bought it knew, and when they bought it. So that's nice documentation. So all the carpet looking real good. Got the reproduction mats. The center console's excellent. Now check this out. 1, 2, 3. This is a factory 3-speed car. They only made just over 500 of them with the factory 3-speed. So it shifts real nice and smooth. So that's a little bit of an oddity. Original seat belts. These seats are leather, not vinyl. They're actual leather. They're nice and firm and plump. And it has the optional headrest. That's a pretty rare factory option. And you can't add headrest easily to one of these seats. It costs you thousands of dollars. You have to do welding. But this has the headrest. So everything back here, the carpet's all looking good. Probably original, and it's in real nice shape. The trim is looking good. Dome light works. I don't know if this was replaced. It has like a texture to it. It's probably been replaced. Visors look real nice. Mirror looks really good. It has the dates on the corner here, but there's also a little chip in the glass. No cracks in the steering wheel. That's looking real nice. So, yeah, just a really, really clean, well cared for, unabused interior. I think the Goldlines work good with this color. So this is the number matching original born with 327. It's a 300 horsepower motor, all stock, not monkeyed around with. It has the ignition shielding, upper and lower, stock manifold, stock air cleaner, reproduction hose and clamps. You can just see everything is nice and tidy. Correct radiator, correct expansion tank over here. The right hoses and clamps. Just a nice, clean, unmessed with engine compartment that runs smooth as can be. Well, Michael's going to show you that, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, gotta listen to those side pipes. That 327 is purring like a lion. I'm liking this one. 61,382 original miles on the clock. Long-time owner just preserved this car so well. Somebody's going to be ecstatic about the overall condition. Very rare 3-speed manual. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Heck yeah, she didn't skip a beat. This thing runs great. Numbers matching engine. Just a heck of a good time. Let's see how it goes down the road. It's a great car. Without a doubt. Come on, test drive it for yourself. You don't take my word for it. May consider pushing the buy it now button. It's one of those. Check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath is right in line with the rest of the car and the 61 or 62,000 miles that this car has. It's just clean. All the chassis, the frame, the suspension components are just clean, smooth metal, not flaky. A nice black finish on them. It's independent suspension front and back, serviced as needed. Our shop inspected and serviced the car as well. Disc brakes at all four of the wheels as well. That's standard back then, and starting in 65. E-brake is hooked up. Looking up at the motor, all clean, all stock, the stock style starter. Has its original 3-speed. I almost said 4-speed. Has its original 3-speed. And they made 564 of them with the 3-speed total. It's a pretty rare car. And Corvette collectors like anything that's different about a car. And then back it has its original coated and dated rear end with 336 ratio. The floors are pristine fiberglass. The spare tire carrier is all there. So very neat, orderly, clean car underneath and on top throughout. This is a really special car. Gentleman I bought it from is a Corvette guy, and he couldn't stress that enough over the phone. And then when I seen the car in person, it's like, yeah, I know exactly what he's talking about. This one is exceptional. So if you appreciate originality, unmolested cars, check this one out. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get your 66 Corvette delivered home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.